Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, then hi. So for today's video, I got something in the mail this morning and I couldn't wait to open it, so I did. So I got the new Laurel palette and I am so excited. I actually wasn't going to film this video today. I was thinking about filming a different video that I'll probably film next Saturday. But because this got in the mail and I couldn't wait to try it on, I wanted to go ahead and do a tutorial / a review on it. And I've already had one of her palettes. Actually, one of my last video has the Cat's Pajamas palette. I'll link that down below if you guys want to check it out. So this is the Nudie Patootie palette. It just came out. It came out April 24th. And I am really excited to play. I didn't think it was going to come in that fast. I actually didn't think it would be in for a little while. But I am so excited. I love the packaging to it. So pretty. Look at that. And it looks beyond beautiful. Oh my goodness. So let's go ahead and open it up. Really high end. Feels really high end. It feels like it's nice quality. It feels heavy. There's a mirror and the colors are beautiful. I mean, that mirror looks, it's nice and big. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, my peoples. So let's go ahead and swatch some colors. So the first color, we're just going to swatch all of them. There's not that many. Okay, they feel very smooth off the bat. Super pigmented. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give you the first row. So this one is dark. This one's undressed. You can't really tell that one on my skin tone because it's right about the same color. This one over here is topless. That's a beautiful shimmer shade. This one right here is striking. This is also one of my favorite ones. This one is called Uncover. This one is Strip. I'm not so crazy about that color. It looks more like a mustard color, and I just don't like the color of it. But it's swatched really pretty. And this one is Bare. Okay, the next couple shades. So this one's Exposed. It's a really pretty color. The next one, it's like a gold color to me. It looks really gold. This one is AU Natural. This one's Reveal. This one's Jaybird. This one's Butt Naked. This one's Buff. And this is Nakey Nakey. This one I really had a hard time trying to swatch it. I don't know why. It was kind of patchy. I don't understand why it came out kind of patchy. So let's go ahead and do the tutorial now. Okay, so the first color I'm going to be using is going to be Stark. So it's this one right there. And that one I'm just going to put all over my lid. So my eyes are already primed and prepped. And this one we're just going to blend out on our entire eye. It's going to be our first shade. It blended out really nice. And with that I used the M504 brush. And then next we are going to go into Striking, which is this really pretty color. This matte color right here. And we're going to be using the Morphe R10. And then this one we're just going to put in the crease. Alright, so then I'm going to grab the R10 and then I'm going to go into Striking. And then I'm going to do a spotlight cut crease. So what we're going to do is we're just going to focus this color more on the inner and the outer end. Then we're going to use the color Bare with the E17 brush to kind of intensify the color a bit more. So we're going to grab some of that. tap off the excess, and then we're just gonna focusing on the inner and outer. And then we are gonna go into, we went into bare, and now we're gonna go into butt naked, which is this one right here. And with that color, we are gonna use the M506 brush, and we're just intensifying both corners. Then what you want to do is grab it and kind of close the bridge, so you're leaving just that middle part uncovered as much as you can. Eventually we're gonna go over it with concealer, but to me I find it easier if it's kind of more blank. Now we're just gonna soften that up. I'm gonna mix with the R37. I'm gonna mix bare and streaking just to kind of blend it together. I'm gonna go into Nakey and the E18 brush, and I'm just gonna go in the outer V, and then we're just gonna go back into bare and streaking. Now I'm gonna grab some topless with the Morphe M573 brush, and I'm making circular motions to blend the color in. I'm gonna go back into butt naked, same brush that I used for it, and I'm making circular motions again. Now I'm gonna work on the under eye. So we're first gonna go in with, I'm gonna mix bare and streaking with the Morphe 432 brush. Then I'm gonna take the M433 brush, and then I'm gonna go into bare and blend that in. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go into butt naked. Some of the Nakey and kind of close it up all the way up into the waterline. I grabbed the Tarte shaping tape, and now we're gonna do the cut crease, and you're just gonna want to grab a little bit where I should start the cut crease, and then you're gonna just start a line. I basically fill it all the way at the top the most, and then I start narrowing it as I'm going down, as much as you can. And then you're gonna want to blend in the colors to it. So I'm just grabbing a clean brush, and then I'm just gonna blend some of the colors into it, so it kind of blends in on the sides. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the color that I want with my finger. So I'm gonna use the color Uncover, which is this one right here, and that one I'm just gonna put it in with my finger. The Morphe M23 brush, it's usually the one that I highlight my brow bone with, and then I'm just gonna fill it up. Of the Nakey, and then I'm just gonna go above it. I'm gonna wet the brush with the Urban Decay Eyeliner spray so that the color is more pigmented, and just blend it out a little bit more along the edge of the cut crease to kind of darken it up. And then I'm gonna go in with butt naked. Okay, so right now I'm evened out, and then I don't like how this makes my eyes look more circular, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some wing liner. And you don't have to, that's what the look I'm going for. And then I'm gonna just put false lashes on. Be right back to finish the look. Alright guys, so I realized I wasn't recording when I was explaining what I did next. So basically I just grabbed some Stark with the Morphe M2313 brush, and then I just highlighted my eyebrow bone with, and I did it on both sides. And then I took some of Uncover and then just put it at the very end. I also cleaned up my edges, and I didn't like how the spotlight was looking, so I just cleaned it up a little bit more. That was all I did. And then I was about to tell you guys when I realized that I wasn't recording that I'm going to go back into the Carli Bybel palette, and this is the highlight that I was using, or that I used today. And then I like to mix two of them, so I like this one, and I also like the white to do my highlight with. Okay, and now let's go ahead and get to lipstick. The Ada's New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Other than the glossy part of this lipstick, I really like the color. It like went really well with this look. Alright guys, so this was the look. I really like the palette. I just wish this look came out as well as I thought about it in my head. I don't know what went wrong. Some of the shades weren't blending in when I tried to do it, but I don't think it was the palette. I think it was just me. I was just having an off day. This palette is really good. I don't know if it will be one of my favorites. I like most of the colors, and right now, especially since it's like springtime, I'll probably use more of it. But I'm more into the vampy looks. Really like the size of the mirror. It's beautiful. It's big. It's not heavy to carry on while you're doing your makeup. It does kind of tire your hand out, but that's nothing compared to like the bigger, bulkier ones. I really like this. I just wish that it had more darker shades. I know the name, it's a nude palette. It's supposed to be a nude palette, but I'm more into the vampy style. I like more of the fall looks, not the spring looks. Overall, the quality was really good. It feels nice. I like the way it is. It's heavy. You can tell it's high-end quality. $45. And if you guys like more of like the nude colors, I would definitely recommend this. That is my final thought. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any ideas of videos you guys want me to do on these upcoming weeks, then let me know by comment down below. And subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys later on my next video. Bye!